I am Dr Sadeep. In my channel, I will be uploading videos concerning homeopathic practical aspects and how to practice homeopathy in a classical way. So I have already done so many videos, friends. If you are interested in these type of subjects, please come to my channel and see those videos, friends. If you are interested in these type of subjects, please like, share and subscribe our channel. So today's subject is, what is my view of miasms? Different masters has different viewpoint to understand these miasms and apply in the practical applications. Dr. Kent had a different view, Dr. Hahnemann had a different view, and Dr. Herbert Robert had a different view. So I have already shared a video on this subject, friends. Today I am sharing my views, how I see these miasms. As you know, this miasms is a big controversial topic, as it is not perceptible for each individual in a mathematical way. Due to that reason, the understanding of each individual on these inimical forces differs. And these miasms, in my view, are the non-contagious forces which are hidden subconsciously and triggering the factors and producing the dis-ease or uneasiness. This is subconsciously hidden energies, non-contagious individual subconscious wrong perceptions, that is delusions, you can also call as. These are the fears, these are the fixed ideas. These miasms are the life hindering forces. These are the one individual shortcomings. These are the unseen, unmanifestable and unnatural forces in each individual. These miasms are the blocks in the natural growth of each individual. Miasms are the hiding forces in the each individual to manifest the real potential of each individual. Miasms are the characteristic mind games of the life. So each individual will be playing his own game of power, money, forces and so many things. These miasms will be operating in a single dimension, leaving the other natural understanding of the life purpose. Miasms are the juvenile energies of the humanity. So this is all about my understanding of this miasm, friends. So actually, if you understand the basic roots of the humanity and take in consideration in our case taking, and if we search the same information in our repertory, the repertory has given an abundant source of information to reach the genetical modification or the base core of a disease force. This base core of the disease force is nothing but the miasm. So as Hahnemann says us, if you want to treat any chronic diseases, you must treat the roots. Until and unless you understand the root cause, until and unless you treat the root of a disease, the disease will be remaining and operable in the human being. So this is all about my understanding of miasm, friends. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. In future also I will be doing such videos. Please share these videos to the medical graduates of homeopathy, practitioners of homeopathy and medicos of homeopathy, friends. This is all today, friends. Thank you. Take care.